In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a Payoneer account without phone number or security questions. If you're locked out because your phone number has changed and you can't remember your security questions, don't worry, there's a clear path to get back in safely. First, take a moment to pinpoint exactly what's blocking your access. Knowing whether it's the changed phone number, the forgotten security questions, or both will help you explain your case clearly to support and speed things up. Next, reach out to Payoneer support via email using the official contact listed on their help center. In your message, be detailed and precise. Include your full name, your registered email address, and any transaction IDs you can find from past activity. Add relevant account-related details like the approximate date you created the account or recent transactions you recognize. The goal is to help them verify that you're the rightful owner. The more accurate and consistent your details are, the faster verification usually goes. In the same email, clearly describe your situation. State that you can't access the phone number on file and you no longer remember your security questions. Politely request assistance with account recovery and mention you're ready to complete any verification steps they require. If you want an extra touch point, consider contacting Payoneer through their official pages on platforms like Facebook or X. Send a brief private message summarizing your issue and reference your registered email address so they can match your case. Keep it high level and never post sensitive information publicly. Be prepared to provide identity verification if they ask. This can include a valid government-issued ID and proof of account ownership. Proof might be documentation or confirmations related to your Payoneer activity that don't expose sensitive data. Submit only what support specifically requests and do so through their secure channels. After you've reached out, give it some time. Support queues can be busy, so monitor your inbox, watch your spam or junk folders, and respond promptly to any follow-ups. When support replies, follow their instructions carefully. This may include additional identity checks or a reset of your security details. Complete each step exactly as requested to avoid delays. A few final tips: always contact support from your registered email address, keep your messages polite and clear, and never share private details in public threads. Patience is key. The process can take a little time, but once verified, Payoneer will help you regain secure access to your account. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Payoneer tips and tutorials.